Huawei has launched 3 new Nova series phones in China called Huawei Nova 15, Nova 15 Pro, and Nova 15 Ultra, with quite unique rear camera module. Among this 3, the Huawei Nova 15 Ultra is the higher variant with more features. Now let's explore the specifications of the Nova 15 Ultra smartphone. The Huawei Nova 15 Ultra features a tall 6.84-inch 1.5K resolution LTPO OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4000 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by Kunlun glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Kirin 9010S chipset, paired with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Nova 15 Ultra sports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with a variable f1.4 to f4.0 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 118-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the pill-shaped hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.0 aperture, along with the 1.5-megapixel multispectral camera with f2.4 aperture. Both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery, with 100 watts wired fast charging support, and 50 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Harmony OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features inside-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163 by 78 by 6.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 209 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Huawei Nova 15 Ultra has been priced in China for 256GB storage variant at 4,199 Chinese yuan, while the 512GB storage model is priced at 4,499 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 1TB storage option is priced at 4,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in vibrant green, snowy white, phantom black, and versatile purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 15 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.